Hi, this is the Martian of team owners, and today we are going to explain the exploit used on the Viart platform, which was placed as our target. However, I did not make this recording while doing the attack itself, so I decided to replicate the environment on my machine. So I'll take you through it very fast so that you get a feel of how it works. So basically, in the Hack Battle 2012, it was very interesting. We went through all the basics. We tried everything, including the SQL injections, XSS attacks, etc. And apparently most of these were patched. However, there was something interesting about this shop, and it was in the forum. So on first instance, if most of you are familiar with PHPBB, it's among the most used forums, and most of its exploits usually came from postings. So we decided to give that a try, and this is how we managed to get into the system. So the first thing is, as you notice, we have fields to fill in. So as usual, everyone tries the fastest thing they can do, which is usually passing HTML comments so that you can perform an XSS attack to see if it actually works. So when we did this, whenever you preview, you see it does a filter. The HTML is not rendered as HTML, so XSS wasn't quite possible. However, being a forum, again, we usually expect things like attachments and the likes. So we decided to see how it feels to have the same thing as a registered user, maybe with more features. So we just simply created an account as a regular user. I'm going to do this very fast. Okay, so now we're going to register an account and see whether we'll get actually more features on this. Targeting forums is actually very common because forums usually have a lot of stuff. So we'll just go back to our forum, and as you notice, this time around, when we open a new topic here, we have an attachments field. Now the other fields have disappeared because we have an account, so they autofill. So basically we'll just put in a topic, and then for the attachments, we did it the amateur way first. It's usually nice to try. So first thing, you try with a PHP file as usual. That type of file is not allowed now, technically speaking. Let me just disable this. That's cliche because PHP files are usually noticed. So what we actually did is, okay, if I can just be allowed to explain a little bit of my code. Okay, what happens is, this particular PHP shell can be rendered as a photo, and it will still work as long as you add the PHP tag. So what we do is, you're going to fake this to be a photo. So let me just make a copy of this, and then let's just do owners.php. We're going to add a JPEG. So This time around we're going to upload the JPEGs, and when you do an upload we actually see that it accepts the upload. So now you can just close that window. Now we have an attachment. Okay, so we're going to just type a fake topic, send all responses to email, and then add topic. So now we have our topic, and our topic comes with an attachment. You don't need to download it like that. So another thing we noticed also is the directory listings. So this was not very hard. So when we came to images, we actually had images that were linked to the forum, and as you can see we have our okay, on my local host this doesn't render, but online it renders. So yeah, that's how the shell got there. Then let me just give you a preview of how the shell looks. I'll just make a copy there. Yeah, so technically let me just show you how the shell looks. Yeah, then we'll have that. Our shell was actually password protected. Yeah, and this is what you get. Actually online with the JPEG extension it actually works. This is just because I'm using it on XAMPP right now with a few minor configuration issues, that's why. So basically you've seen how the shell goes up, and this is how we managed to break in, and the rest is easy from here because you could just pick information from the server. And yes, as it says, team owners is here. Thank you for watching. Enjoy.